apple personified, the apple of my eye, the apple to all my headaches to you decide. Hell race from baby now, grown hell no baby five.
Hello everyone. My name is Miko and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all how I went from having short 4B4C hair to this long beautiful hair that I can put up in a ponytail and I can style it however I want to style it. So yeah, let's get right into the video. Before we do that though, you guys, please subscribe to my channel. I have more videos pumping out. I love to do hair tutorials, hair reviews, specifically kinky textures, and you know, I love to post cute outfits on social media. So follow me on Instagram at Miko, me.koh. And let's just get right into the video topic. So in my hair, I have micro links from Wigs, and this is their Afro Kinky Curly micro links in 18 inches. So it's absolutely stunning. You know, I don't have to worry about anything. I can put my fingers through my hair, I can move it around, and I can pretty much do whatever I want. So micro links are hair extensions. They're individual hair extensions. They kind of remind me of how you install crochet braids, kind of, but without the braid. So first, I'm just going to show you all kind of the box that it came in and things like that. I did receive 3 bundles of micro links, and I believe there's 100 pieces altogether. I put probably about 2 bundles in, so not quite 100 pieces, and as you can see, it's pretty full, and I really don't have that much of my hair left out, so that's pretty awesome. I left my hair out at the very top. As you can see, there's some shorter pieces, that's my hair, and I left it out at the side, so if I want to pull it up into a ponytail of any sort, I can. And I left it out at the back, so if I want to put a high ponytail, I certainly can do that as well. As you can see, it's smooth. It's very smooth, very smooth, and it's honestly a lot of hair. So you guys know I love big hair, so that's it for me. This style is a whole mood. Wigs put the hair in this box. This is their usual box. If you guys have been subscribed to my YouTube channel or watched some of my other videos, you've probably seen this box before, because I do a lot of reviews for Wigs. I love their company, and I always get really good hair from them. So the packaging is not all the way together, it's been rummaged through, but so that's why you see this. These are the actual micro links that are on the extension. I'll show you guys that in a second. And the hair came in this bag, their usual Wigs satin bag, and I do have some hair left, so I want to show you all how the micro links look when they come. So this is it. I do have like kind of half of a bundle of hair left, but this is how it looks. It comes with the little strings already attached, as well as the rings and the little thing on there so that you can easily install. It's already attached to all of the strands of hair, so that came in clutch. I did not have to get a separate tool to install this other than the pliers, and I'll show you guys those in a second. But this is kind of how it came. I did wash the hair, so this is how it looks post-wash. It's a little dry, it's been in the box for a while without any moisture on it, but it probably resembles like 4A hair. And as you can see, I mean, blended with my hair, it's giving me 4A 4B vibes. Like, it looks really natural. It looks like how my crochet braids look, and you guys know how I like to wear them. Perfect. It feels like it's my hair. It literally feels like it's my hair. So that means there's going to be work included in that too, and I'll share the pros and cons of that in a few. But right now, I also want to show you guys that it came with these clips as well to help section my hair off, and Naya Wigs kind of put in these cute little hair ties with these little cats on it. I love cats, so cute. The usual little card, you know, saying that hey, if you do a review you get $45 cash back. That's this. And then it comes with a little pamphlet showing you how to kind of care for their hair. So it shows you care instructions. You wash it like you would do curly human hair, like you would do your own hair. At least that's what I did. And the hair is doing just fine. The cost range for these micro links is probably in between $100 to $250. You know, obviously they do have sales all the time now at Wigs, so like prices are constantly fluctuating. So definitely click the link in the description box to see what the current price is. They have a lot of discounts. You know, I love Night Wigs. These are absolutely worth it. They can last up to 1 to 2 months. Me, I probably won't leave it in for that long because I never leave in styles for that long, but they can last you, and it feels like it's my natural hair, which is amazing. I'm going to insert kind of a clip with a voiceover of how I installed the micro links, kind of a step-by-step. It's very easy to install, so I did it like once or twice. Hopefully you guys can kind of get the gist of it from this clip coming up. But if you have any questions, leave it in the description box below. You know, if you follow me on Instagram and you send me a DM saying you still don't know how to do something, I answer DMs with videos of how I do stuff sometimes. So DM me if you still don't know, but we're gonna cue the clips now. So these are the pliers that I use to install the micro links. It's gonna show, I'm gonna show you all, of course, in the clip kind of how you use them, but I got these pliers from Amazon, and I'm gonna put the link in the description box of these exact pliers that I got from Amazon so you guys can purchase it too. It came in 2 days because I have Prime, so I was able to kind of just get these, and that's all I needed to install these micro links.
Okay, so just to start off, I put a little piece of hair that's either half the size or equal size to the extension, pull it through the loop, and then I pulled a little black tab at the end of the loop. And by pulling that tab, it pulls my real hair through the ring on the extension. And from there, I get my pliers and I flatten the ring with the pliers. I use kind of my hands to feel around so I can feel where the ring's at. And that's how I kind of do it on myself. One thing about this is you have to make sure you do not clamp on the pliers too tight because you will pull out your hair. So make sure that you just do a very loose plier tug, and that's it. And if you pull on it a little bit and if it comes down, it's not tight enough, put the pliers gently on there again on the ring and you'll be good. So that's pretty much what I do. I kind of demonstrated again for you here. It's really easy. It looks kind of weird, but once you get the hang of it, you realize it's so easy to install. Super simple. I try to keep away from my edges because I don't want to pull my edges out with rings. So I did leave the perimeter of my hair out, as well as a parting space. I put some at the top because I wanted it to blend well with my short natural hair. But other than that, yeah, this is kind of how you do it. If you have any questions, please just, don't be afraid to ask.
Awesome. So I just want to go over the pros and cons of micro links, just to kind of give you all an idea of, how they are, so you can decide if you want this to be a protective style for you or not. So some of the pros and cons of micro links. First, I would say this is a very versatile protective style because this is human hair and it blends in with my hair seamlessly. It lays flat. I wouldn't do too much manipulation because you don't all go into why in the cons, but this is very versatile. You can put it in a ponytail, a high bun, a high ponytail. You can do a half up, half down look. It's so versatile. It feels like you're literally wearing your real hair, and that's a pro. Another pro I would say is that it's very easy to install. All I had to do was pretty much part and section my hair, and I was able to seamlessly install these micro links in my hair, and they look great. So it didn't take me long either. It took me maybe about 3 or 4 hours to do these, maybe even less. So I don't know if it's because I'm so used to doing crochet braids that it kind of was just quicker for me, but it was very easy for me to install these myself, like on my own hair. Another pro is that if you want a really long protective style that lasts a while, this protective style works. Sorry you guys, my cat is meowing because he does not like being locked in the room when I'm out here, so he's complaining a little bit. If you hear him meowing in the back, it's good, he's good. He don't like to be alone, you know, so he's a little needy, he's a kitten. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video, and you guys check out the link in the description box below and get you your micro links. They really are worth it in my opinion. I do really love them, and I love Nile Wigs, so if you want to buy them, you can buy these exact extensions from the exact place I got them in the description box below. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave a comment, send me a DM on Instagram at Miko, me.kloh, and send me some pictures if you end up doing this style. You know, if you need help, anything you need, I want to talk to you, I want to connect. That's my aesthetic for 2021, is to connect with y'all. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.